for us, having an opportunity to go to the other side of the world and share our knowledge and also gain knowledge from them. And in that interaction, I think it's an opportunity that not many companies are able to provide.
Shape your career working abroad with PREMO, Part 1.
I joined the company April 2022, and since then I've learned how to design several kinds of inductive components.
I joined PREMO 4 years ago in 2019. So we are going to move out to China this year, and we will be based in Wuhu plant. For me, in my case, I will be there only for 6 months, but in the case of Manuel,
yeah, I'll be there for 1 year, and basically our role there will be to give support to the R&D team there, which is growing, and also to provide some local support to our customers as well.
What is the most difficult thing of working abroad and taking this project?
I think the most difficult thing is to be far away from my family and also from my friends, to be in another totally different culture and country.
How do you think this experience is going to help you in the future?
I think our takeaways there will be that we will get to know the hands-on experience on the industry and get to know many customers, and all that experience I think will be very positive for us. Don't you think?
Yes, I totally agree with you, but also some of my target are to understand the new requirement and technology that our customers are developing in order to provide the best support to them.
So I think technology, as it's being nowadays, is making the world much more connected. So that's why I think it's so important for us to take this opportunity, to take this chance. And yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, that's true. Stay tuned for the incoming news.